Today I took a walk with my metal detector in the mountain where there was the Gothic line near Bologna. In these mountains the Axis troops stopped the Allied invasion for almost 1 year. Gothic line collapsed only a week before the fall of Berlin. This is an old trench. The vegetation has already covered it, but considering it was done 80 years ago, it's still in good conditions. It's rare to find something inside the trench, but around them there could be something interesting. Here there was a recover and other trenches. The fortification on the north slope of the mountains are made by Axis troops since the Allied advanced from the south. Here there is an old bunker. It's not easy to find it. It's hidden between the trees. Here it is. The Axis soldiers hid here during the bombings. It was probably covered with wooden boards or something else. The Americans used to bomb a lot before an attack. They bombed so much that there are mountains that really have become iron mines. So many are the fragments of bombs. This bunker is well made. It would have been difficult to hit even for the mortars. Okay, let's start the search with the metal detector. I know here there was a German MG42 machine gun nest. A cartridge case. You can recognize the German cartridge cases because they are rusty, unless built before 1940. They had a metal shortage, so the more precious metals were used only where necessary. This is why sometimes the metal detector could give the same signal as a normal iron bomb fragment. Another cartridge case. The machine gun cartridge cases are always deformed. Because of the high rate of fire, they were expelled from the machine gun with such a violence that they were damaged from the impact. If there isn't the deformation, so has been fired by a Mauser, the rifle of Germans. This is only half case. Maybe it was damaged by fire. The German machine gun MG42 could fire up to 1500 rounds per minute. However, under battle conditions, the rounds that it could fire was far lower, some hundreds. A lot of cartridge cases in any case. Here there should be another cartridge. I know the value of this piece of iron is around 0. You can find 100 of them at a few euros on the web, but I only want to stay a day from dawn to sunset, and sometimes even before sunset, between the mountains and the woods, alone, far from my wife. If you're not married, you can't understand me. Another one. Quite easy to find the cases, but difficult to find the bullets. The MG42 machine gun could fire up to 2 km, therefore they are dispersed over a large area. The Axis bullets are often rusty too. Here there is another one. Indeed, after 80 years, it's rare to find something interesting. Forget the TV show in which you see people finding weapons, helmets, bayonet, tanks, but it's fun to stay in the middle of nature.